Welcome to Economics Lesson 7. How Unemployment Influences Economics. Our lesson objectives are: understand the meaning of the term unemployment in relation to economics, identify and describe the basic classifications of unemployment, understand and explain why the unemployment statistics are not completely accurate. Additional suggested reading and review can be found at the PDF that is accompanying this slideshow. Introduction. The President's Council of Economic Advisors uses the following process to measure unemployment. Persons are classified as unemployed if they were not employed during the survey week, but were able to work, available for work, made a specific effort to find a job at some time within the preceding 4 weeks, or if they were waiting either to report to a new job within 30 days or to be recalled to a job from which they were laid off. This weekly survey and classification process determines the unemployment rate. There is a very large sample which ensures the data collected by the Department of Labor are reasonably reliable, but most researchers know that these statistics are not completely accurate. This is due to two distinct groups: discouraged workers and dishonest non-workers, which fluctuate in size. Discouraged workers are individuals who would love to go back to work, but due to the length of time being unemployed, low self-esteem, or many job application rejections, they have given up on looking for a new job. These individuals are beyond the 4-week cutoff for counting them as unemployed, thus the real rate of unemployment is underestimated. Dishonest non-workers are individuals who say they are looking for employment, thus being eligible for unemployment compensation, although they have no real intention of taking a new job. Therefore, because of this group, the real rate of unemployment is overestimated. Ask yourself why and when, under what circumstances, the sizes of these groups might be larger or smaller. Basic classifications of unemployment. 1. Frictional unemployment is when unemployment happens naturally. That is, there are some people who quit their jobs because they do not like them, and some people seek to re-enter the job market, like mothers after leaving a job to have children. 2. Structural unemployment occurs when the skills of the potential employee no longer match the needs of potential employers. Technological changes may have made an employee's skills and talents obsolete. For example, someone who specialized in automotive carburetor repair is in less demand today because most cars are fuel injected. 3. Seasonal unemployment happens because some products, businesses, are in demand during only part of the year. The construction business in the northern states and agriculture harvesting in many states are good examples. When business is not being conducted, the demand for employees drops considerably. 4. Cyclical unemployment is a result of the business cycles referred to earlier. There is a seemingly natural cycle of good economic times and poor times. During these poor times of recession or depression, businesses decrease their outputs, which require fewer employees, thus causing an increase in unemployment. 5. Induced unemployment is caused by governmental policy. A prime example is the National Minimum Wage Law. The minimum wage law prevents businesses from hiring workers who would otherwise work for less pay than the government law requires. What next? Take the time to go back and review the lesson on your own. After your review, complete the lesson review for the lesson and submit for grading. Remember, your submission should follow all the rules for standard written English. All submissions must be written in your own words and sources used cited at the end. How to cite sources in APA format. When you reference a source within an APA-style paper, whether it is using a direct quote, repurposing an image, or simply referring to an idea or theory, you should insert an in-text citation, the author's surname, and the date of publication within parentheses, straight after a direct quote. CitationMachine.net will assist you in creating citations.